Hi there, it's Bonnie Boyle from Bonnie's Best Art Tools website and from the Collage Candy blog. I'm here today to just flip through a nature-themed junk journal that I made. And the cover is made from a Rudyard Kipling book I picked up at a yard sale. It was in really bad shape, as you can see, but I think that sort of adds character. The stitching that I used with the fabric wraparound, I learned from Marianne Moss of Dispatch from LA. The stitching is kind of rough because I used hemp instead of waxed linen. One of my first stitched books, so I was in a learning curve there. This paper is from Seven Gypsies. The inside cover shows a playing card, and there's lots of playing cards in here because I love using playing cards in my work. This is an old tobacco ad card. This book has lots of pockets and lots of playing cards. This is from a bird book. This red border is from Christmas stationery that I picked up. This is a notepad I bought at a yard sale. This book, again, lots of pockets in here. This pocket holds a Asian postcard that I liked. I just stitched this ribbon on because it needed a little more color. There's a pocket. I love birds. More playing cards. I love butterflies too. This is from Botanica Bella, which was the first paper issued by Graphic 45 years ago. Love that pattern. This bird is from a book. Old book plate, but it had a nature theme. This stationery right here is from the dollar store. I just loved the nature design, and of course the price was excellent. More playing cards. Washi tape, sheet music everywhere. Another playing card and another postcard. This background, oh, this is another scrapbook paper. A little bit of vellum in this pocket. This is wallpaper. I picked up wallpaper samples and some wallpaper borders, and they're really fun to use in books. These ferns that are in this book are from an old paper sample book, so you'll see them printed on lots of different colored paper. I love that paper sample book. Those aren't really available too much anymore because I think they're too expensive to produce. Little vellum envelope with some birds in it. Another playing card. I just made a slit in this wallpaper to make a pocket. More of that dollar store stationery. This page has some hidden places to write and a hidden pocket. More wallpaper. That owl is from a, I think, National Geographic book, magazine. More places to write. This is a photocopy of a botanical print on top of a piece of music. If you can't send the music through your printer because it's fragile or not the right texture or weight, you can copy the music and then copy the botanical print on top of it. And I think that's what I did here because that's why the paper is so yellowed. And that's on top of wallpaper. That's something else from a paper sample book. Another postcard. This is from a box of 100 bird postcards that I got on Amazon, and I just love to use these. I think they're still available. I think they're Audubon, but I'm not positive. This is from an ad. It's a double pocket on this page. Oh, and this is an envelope, part of a craft colored envelope. Another postcard and some of that dollar store stationery. More pockets. I love yellow. I just thought that was real pretty as is. I didn't do anything to it except add some tape here and here and there. And here's another playing card. And here's another fern. and a playing card, and yet another playing card, and another fern. This is from a book, and that's the end. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thanks for stopping by.